day 6, and this time we're doing reverse crunches. A few different ways you can do the reverse crunches. So again, the butt off the ground, legs just hovering above the ground without touching, and back up. Repeat. Make it a bit harder, you can pull the legs all the way down at the bottom, lengthening it out. Or you can keep the legs straight and just going up and down. Once again, you do the fatigue. Make it a little bit easier, you can put your hands under your bottom. And keep your back a bit straighter as well. Once you've completed those, up you get using some back leg bounces. So keep your butt at the back, bouncing back and forward.